Hey guys, I just wanted to talk about this graph really fast. So if we look down here, we can see that the blue line is for having no paddler, and the green line is for having a paddler inside of the kayak. So we have our blue line right here with no paddler. We have our green line right here for with a paddler. This red line right here is the change between floating and sinking. So this is 100% of that kayak suddenly being underwater. So we can see over here that this is 100% of the kayak being underwater. Okay, so the cockpit is where you actually sit. So that's the hole inside of the kayak where the person is sitting. So this orange line right here is saying that the cockpit is full. Okay, so the questions that we have that most people missed are these two down at the bottom. How much water does it take for How much water does it take for a kayak to sink with a paddler? So with a paddler is our green one right here, and we follow it up. It hits this line right here, and we can follow that down. It takes 250 liters of water for the kayak to sink with a paddler. Now, without a paddler, we follow the blue line. We go up. We hit right in between these two lines. It's going to take about 325 liters of water to sink without a kayaker in there. Okay, so this is the graph that we did last week. If you have further questions, go ahead and join me for office hours or send me an email. Bye.